हम अभी रिसेंटली थाईलैंड गए तो
बेचारी बेटी
अपनी बेटी को छोड़कर गई है माँ थाईलैंड ऐश करने,
छोटे कपड़े पहन के,
बिजनेस ट्रिप पे,
छोटे कपड़े पहन के, बेचारी बेटी। एंड आई एम
मोस्टली औरतें जब बिजनेस ट्रिप पे जाती है वो बिजनेस ही करने जाती है। like some men.
But I am we are using very sanitized terms right now because camera on it. I don't want to say, but they are all after my child now.
Yeah. Okay, let's do something fun now. Because you guys roast people, I have something for you which is called the Roast Awards.
Wow, that's mostly written, guys.
Yeah, we take a lot. There's a lot of prep and effort and writing, and also we pay Bhavesh.
We don't pay. We
You pay him.
Not anymore.
It's not always monetary.
Even that.
Okay.
I'm too busy.
No, okay.
Tell me a song with the most offensive lyrics.
Honey Singh has great music, but I don't know why he screws up with lyrics.
Yeah.
There's that वो उर्वशी रौतेला वाला गाना है ना जिसमें वो बोलता है
मम्मी को
अपने बाप को बोल कि मैं कॉल करूंगा और फिर मैं उनको बोलूंगा और तू अपना बैग लेके आ जा, something. I'm sorry, I'm doing the rap very badly.
All the songs were like
कि तू मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ तू कर, बस मैं तुझे पैसे दूंगा, तू आ जा मेरे गाड़ी में.
Yeah. Even Badshah songs I think are a little.
पता है कौन सा ऑफेंसिव नहीं है? अये या करूँ मैं क्या
सुकू सुकू. It's such a cute
It's
song.
so simple. Like मुझे नहीं पता मैं आगे क्या बोलूँ. सुकू
सुकू तू ही बता.
खत्म. मैं करूँ क्या सुकू सुकू. Great.
I love it.
Non-threatening.
तारा रम पम. Simple.
तारा रम पम. खत्म.
Love it. But Badshah I would pick. His songs are a little.
Do you remember or tell me a best cringe dialogue that you remember? You guys remember Raz? राज याद है वो फिल्म, उसमें वो डीना मोरिया बोलता है ना, वो बोलती है मैं तुम्हें बर्बाद कर दूंगी और वो बोलता है मैं बर्बाद होना चाहता हूँ.
I love that. That's not cringe at all.
That is kind of sexy.
Yeah. I actually love lots of dialogues. मुझे cringe नहीं होता. जो cringe लोगों के लिए होता है ना, जैसे वो हिमेश का कौन सा मूवी आया था अभी?
Badass.
हाँ.
Badass रवि कुमार.
हाँ, Badass रवि कुमार.
पीता नहीं, लेकिन उसके बिना जीता
भी नहीं.
It's epic.
These are like epic dialogues.
What a character trait कि वो सिगरेट पकड़ के रखा है उसने, लेकिन वो पीता नहीं, लेकिन उसके बिना जीता नहीं. कि मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये होने नहीं दूंगा
और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये हो नहीं सकता. तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये हो नहीं सकता और
मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता
और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा.
Now that is scary,
but
I love
amazing.
I love it. I want Bhavesh to tell me this. My husband.
Okay, best overacting.
Of course, Kareena Kapoor यार.
प्रेम.
Yeah.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
But like best overacting.
But even Hrithik in that
she
film.
could pull it off.
वो कौन सा गाना that she's singing?
कसम
की कसम है कसम से हमें प्यार.
And the guitaring.
Yeah. I thought she's gonna get a neck sprain when she does pyar.
It's true.
I was like, oh God, watch out, bro.
Worst trend to have gone viral.
That song recently, that APT. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm so done with it. And just trends in general, they ruin any song for me.
Some BMW or something, they do this and then they get pulled with this in some certain speed, and then another person doesn't get pulled. It's some
like body shaming weight.
Weird trend.
अभी एक नया ट्रेंड आया, लोग अपने फोन को बाहर मिरर पे चिपका के ड्राइविंग वाला रील ले रहे हैं. वो फोन गिर गया तो
गिरा ही होगा, किसी गिर गया तो
फोन टूट गया तो वो किसी और के गाड़ी के सामने आ गया तो इट्स अ हैजार्ड.
It's a hazard. स्कूल जाना चाहिए था.
Okay, tell me a worst or best dance step to have gone viral.
Worst or best?
Any you can say.
Because we've been shaming her questions. Questions पसंद नहीं है, मैं change कर लूँगी.
Like तुम्हारे ऊपर है, worst कर लो या best कर लो. Okay, worst or best? Dance step. जो easy होते हैं वो मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं.
अभी तो आया था ना वो.
मैंने किया था उसपे.
किया था.
Reel.
Let's do it.
पहला तू दूजा तू. अरे यार
कैसे करते हैं?
पहला तू दूजा तू तीजा तू. अबे 3 तो कर ले यार. तू चौथा तू. And you're holding my hand really hard. Like what the hell, dude? I think this was the worst, not the best.
Yes. Cringiest pickup line you've ever heard or somebody has used for you?
यार मैंने ना ये लिखी थी, पता है मेरे फोन में होगी कहीं. Can I?
Yeah.
Let me find it.
ये दिल्ली से है, इसके पास तो बहुत है.
You tell me.
Somebody had apparently whispered also in her ear.
Really? Don't tell me this is true.
Yeah, yeah. Somebody whispered in your ear, na, saying call me.
While you were walking on the road? Wow.
Are you a parking ticket? Because you've got fine written all over you.
है?
पहली बात तो पार्किंग टिकट इंडिया में नहीं होता है, चलान कहते हैं उसको.
हाँ.
और दूसरा I've got fine written all over me. And that guy didn't know English.
So he should have just said, "Are you a चालान? क्योंकि तुम मेरे साथ चलना." Or something like that.
That is so bad.
Are you a चालान because तुम्हारा कटने वाला है?
I should have
That's a
said,
good one.
I'm actually a चालान क्योंकि तेरा कटने वाला है bro.
Right.
That's a good one. Huh?
Are you a bank loan because you've got my interest?
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
Wow. Are you French? Because I fell for you. I fell.
Oh, nice. She's processing. Okay, tell me a haircut or a hairstyle that you've seen on screen that you found funny.
I don't understand spikes on men. You remember there was this whole phase where men had spikes here?
Spikes, correct?
I don't imagine that now. Like imagine him sitting there with spikes.
That's, I mean, some people are short and they get spikes to look taller. It's fine. Please, just because you have like you're like 8 feet.
I don't
tall.
8 feet. I'm 8 feet, guys.
You would have wanted spikes if you were 5 feet tall.
I don't.
I think nothing beats the Tere Naam hairstyle.
Oh my God.
Definitely.
Okay, and last one, most bizarre outfit.
The triangle bras that in the 80s the women used to wear are like really fun.
Correct.
Oh, the perky ones.
The perky ones. They were literally triangles. I
Yeah.
don't know why.
They're very cute.
Why?
Pokey.
Yeah, like metal.
I think maybe they through a distance पहले से बना.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, I just
Yeah.
got it. Oh yeah, I would totally get one now.
Yeah, let's just
Let's just get.
That was self-defense. That was not
क्या बोल
fashion.
रहा है? I would love it. Yeah.
great idea.
Great idea.
Yeah, we should get it back.
Yeah.
Okay, so we now have a segment which is called Unhooked and Unhinged. ठीक है?
Unhooked is not.
Yeah. So
That's her and me.
Yeah.
Unhooked, unhinged.
So this is Zivame presents Unhooked and Unhinged. मैं आपको कुछ options देने वाली हूँ and you have to tell me if it's a fit or a miss. Goes laundry shopping with you.
Yeah.
Must. I want to wear what he likes. To be honest.
Okay, if he buys surprise lingerie but guesses the wrong size.
Miss.
It's a miss.
क्या करूँ मैं उसका?
Fit. I like the thought. तुमने thought डाला थोड़ा सा, तुमने कुछ तो लाए तो
थोड़ा सा
मेरे लिए.
thought और डाल देता size में. Anyway, no, miss for
No
me.
problem.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.